right. We'll now do the first problem on accounting standard 16, borrowing cost. PRM Limited obtained a loan from a bank for 50 lakhs on 30th of April 20x1. It was utilized as follows. Construction of a shed is 50 lakhs, purchase of machinery 40 lakhs, working capital 20 lakhs, advance for the purchase of truck is 10 lakhs. Construction of shed was completed in March 20x2. The machinery was installed on the date of acquisition. Delivery of the truck was not received, and the total interest charged by the bank for the year ending 31st March x2 is 18 lakhs. Show the treatment of interest. Now, you have borrowed 50 lakhs from the bank, and then you are going to pay an interest of 18 lakhs. Now, the question is very simple. What is the treatment of interest? What part of interest needs to be capitalized, and what part of interest needs to be taken to the P&L account? Right? So the total interest paid is 18 lakhs. We need to capitalize one portion of it, and the other portion we need to take it to P&L account. How do we determine that? Very simple. Construction of a shed, that is the only qualifying asset. All the balance 3, purchase of machinery, it is not a qualifying asset because the machinery is already ready. It does not take substantial period of time for its readiness. Similarly, working capital and advance for purchase of truck, right? They are not qualifying assets. So the interest which is relating to the purchase of machinery, working capital and advance for the truck, they need to be taken to P&L account. Whereas the interest which is relating to the construction of shed alone must be capitalized. So how do we find that? How do we determine that? Pretty straightforward. What is the total interest paid? The total interest, right, we are paying is 18 lakhs. Out of that 18 lakhs, we are going to capitalize that portion which relates to the construction shed, which is 18 lakhs into 50 by 120, which is, it comes to 7.5 lakhs. 7.5 lakhs worth of interest needs to be, this is the interest which we are going to capitalize. The balance interest of 10.5 lakhs, right? Because remember, we are paying 18 lakhs. So 18 minus 7.5, which is 10.5, that we need to debit to P&L account. Okay. So how did we get 120? It's pretty straightforward. It is the total of 50, 40, 20 and 10. That's 120. Okay. So pretty straightforward. But anyway, you need to do the working and show to the examiner very clearly which part of interest needs to be capitalized and which part needs to be taken to P&L account. So the qualifying asset is construction of shed. So the solution is here. Qualifying asset as per A16 is 50 lakhs, which is the construction of shed. Borrowing cost to be capitalized is 7.5 lakhs, and the interest to be taken to P&L account is going to be 10.5 lakhs. The interest will be debited to P&L account, balance 10.5 lakhs. Hope it's clear.